Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the StrikeLine RA, that's right angle, USB-C to USB-C right angle cable. And these are great for when you're playing video games or watching movies. It already has that turn built into the cable. It has metal here, large, like heavy duty relief right here, and nylon braided cable. It plugs in even with a case on it, no problem, to the bottom of this Android phone. You can use this with other devices too. Maybe the switch if you need to charge it at an angle. This will help you not break the cable as fast, and you can get this from Scosche. This is the USB-C to USB-C right angle StrikeLine RA cable. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.